definitely on, is it? The ones that you're at.
Alright then. Let's give this a whirl. Alright, can hear the fuel swell pop pressurising.
Is all the pumps seem to be working in the back, John?
Yeah.
Good shit. Fuel pressure seems low.
This one's so loud I can't hear the standard one, but I presume it's this one. I think that's on.
Yeah.
Half a bar fuel pressure at the moment.
What's the fuel pressure at?
Half a bar, probably on about 3.
Yeah.
Maybe that much adjustment. Smell fuel.
It does stink of fuel.
It's dropping anyway. I mean,
It's so big, it's just pouring straight out.
I'll just turn it off for a second.
What if we got fuel in the car, yeah?
there's not much fuel in the car because I ran it down before I dropped it off.
Right, well fuel pressure doesn't really matter too much because
We just want to get the oil, yeah.
see if it turns over.
Should we give it a go? Well, I need to put the coils in first.
Well, if you turn it over first, that coil's on.
Okay,
It's got no plugs, no coil packs.
fine.
Turn it over first, make sure it all turns over and everything's fine. And then in a bit, we'll have
Alright.
a look to see if there's evidence of oil flow.
Alright, let's give it a whirl then. Go on then, Jonathan.
This is your car.
See, what's the gear selector got like to fill?
There we go.
Just stick the foot in the clutch as well, please, actually.
The camera is a tripod then. Clutch probably needs bleeding, yeah.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, clutch is just dumps here. Right. Okay. Alrighty.
That's the fuel. There's the ignition off, yeah? Fuel pressure just went up actually.
Yeah. By the way, yeah, when you cranked it, the fuel pump actually started making a lot more noise.
Yeah.
Don't quite know why. But interestingly,
Well,
just turn the ignition
because
on.
the original pump won't have cranked any fuel to that
Yeah.
one.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I see what you're saying, Fraser. Yeah. So
Yeah.
once that's pumping.
That's
fuel,
pumping to that one,
pumping
yeah.
To that one. Yes. Yeah, I think you'll find that the fuel pressure might be quite good actually. It might be because we tweaked that. It might be quite high now.
Yeah, it's probably.
What do you want to do for the ignition on then, John?
Well, I think the only way you'll see the fuel pressure is by cranking more
Cranking
fuel
it.
into the at the spark
Yeah,
plug.
yeah. Turn it again. Yeah.
What happened? Did it leak a bit over here, or I could use?
It's just spraying the mist. So as long as there's no fucking sparks going on,
Really?
it's good.
Okay, I won't got any sparks.
Ain't got pressure yet.
last time the pump definitely made a lot more noise.
It might
Yeah,
be
it
really
did.
low on fuel, mightn't it?
It is low on fuel, yeah.
And I feel like it's actually on.
Yeah.
And we've got it on a bit of a skill. Might be had to try. Well,
There was
I'm annoyed that I've got to go, but see if you've got oil pressure, which I think you probably will.